Hello, I am Aniket from Tarkashastra Academy. In this video, we are going to discuss about the top colleges accepting XAT score. Now, XAT is the second most widely accepted exam after CAT. So, जैसे CAT score is accepted by many colleges, XAT score is also accepted by many good colleges as well. In this, we are also going to discuss about the XAT paper pattern, what is the score versus percentile ratio of XAT, and the important hits. If you want to join us for XAT preparation, you can connect with us on the number given in the description of the video. The sessions will be taken by expert faculties. You will have minimum number of students in the batch. VAT peer training will be provided to you. Books will be provided, mobile lab, test series, one-on-one mock analysis, exam-specific workshops, doubt-solving sessions, daily quiz, weekly GK videos. All those things that are important for XAT will be provided to you, and all important updates on YouTube. And all of this with the lowest fee in the industry. So connect with us on the number given in the description of the video. Now, college is accepting XAT score. So the best one is XLRI Jamshedpur. The XAT cutoff for that college is around 95 percentile. Expenses 25 lakh rupees. Average salary 30 lakh rupees. Best college. XLRI Delhi, comparatively newer college, है ना, मतलब काफी बाद में निकला है XLRI जमशेदपुर के बाद, but the cutoff is in the same range, expenses are also in the same range, and the average salary is also in the same range. Third best college is XAM Bhubaneswar, 90 percentile, 23 lakhs is the expense, 17.54 lakhs are the average salary. Then you have IMT Ghaziabad, 20 lakh expenses, 15 lakh average salary. IMI Delhi, Tapmi, 4. So cutoff for these colleges, they lie in the range of 85 to 90 percentile, and their expenses are also approximately 20 lakhs. But there is a slight difference in the average salary. Okay, so you can check that as well. Great Lakes, Chennai, PGDM and PGPM, both programs accept XAT score. 80 percentile is the cutoff. Expenses are 19 lakh and average salary is 12.5 lakhs per annum. Jim Goa, Irma Anand, KJ Somya, Mumbai, all these colleges, these are good colleges, top colleges, they accept XAT, and the percentile is only 80 percentile in that range. The fees are on higher side, but these are the colleges which provide salaries above 10 lakh fees. Okay, so these are the top colleges. There are many other colleges like Wellinger and all, which accept the XAT score. But these are the colleges worth doing MBA from. And these are the colleges which will definitely give you a kick start to your career. Okay, now you must be thinking कि यार ये मेरे 95 percentile, 80-85 percentile ये तो मेरे कभी नहीं आते, है ना? तो ये एग्जाम में भी बहुत ज्यादा स्कोर करना पड़ेगा, but that is not the case over here, है ना? Let us try to understand the paper pattern. So XAT paper is divided into two parts, part 1 and part 2. Part 2 is general knowledge and essay writing, which is not calculated in XAT score, है ना? Not calculated in XAT score. Okay. Only part 1, which has verbal ability and logical ability, decision making, this is a new section, and quantitative aptitude and data interpretation. Total, there are 75 questions on this. Each question has +1, -0.25 marking scheme. Okay. So only these questions will be considered for the final scoring. Okay. So out of 75 marks, you have to score, 75 marks are the maximum marks. So if out of 75 marks, if you score 40 marks, you will score 99%. If you score 34 marks, which is what? Approximately 40-45%, you score 95%. 30 marks, which is 40% marks, will fetch you 90%. And this is where many good options will open for you. And as you can see, 90 percentiles, all these options are open for you. Okay. Then 85 percentile, you need only 26 marks. For 80 percentile, you need only 24 marks, which is 24 out of 75, which is 1/3 of the marks are only needed to get into colleges like KJ Somya, Irma, and even Jimbo. So that is the beauty of this exam. Obviously, the exam is difficult, but then you have this one section of decision making. And if you want to score 24 marks, 25 marks, and you have one of your section is very strong. Let us say your verbal section is very strong. And out of these 26, you score 12 to 14 marks over here. And then in other sections, you score 6, 7 marks only. Still, you reach 24, 25 marks and you can get into top college. है ना? So this is that exam. अगर इसमें आपका कोई एक पर्टिकुलर सेक्शन स्ट्रॉन्ग है, देन गेटिंग इनटू अ टॉप कॉलेज इज इजी, है ना? अगर आपका क्वांट सेक्शन स्ट्रॉन्ग है, क्वांट में 18 में से आपने 15 स्कोर कर लिए, बाकी 2 में 5 भी स्कोर कर लिए, तो भी तो 25 मार्क्स हो गए. 25 marks are 85 percentile approximately. So you can get into a good college at 85 percentile. 85 percentile पे भी अगर आप देखोगे तो इतने सारे colleges open हो रहे हैं हमारे लिए. So it is a good exam, a must-give exam, because after CAT, it is the most widely accepted exam. Last date to apply for XAT 2023 is 30th of November, which is 3 days after your CAT exam. Application fee is only 1800 rupees. Now I am saying only 1800 क्योंकि अगर आप comparison करोगे तो बाकी एग्जाम्स का बहुत हाई है. एनमेट का तो 2800 प्लस टैक्सेस, which goes to around 32-3300, है ना? तो उसके कंपैरिजन में it is only 1800. And exam is on 8th of January, which is a Sunday. So I hope that I have convinced you to write the XAT exam. It is the most important exam, and scoring good percentile is not that difficult, even if you have one strong section. Okay, so keep this in mind. Do fill the XAT form. For any other queries, connect with us on any one of these 3 social media platforms, or visit our website tarkashastra.co.in, or send a WhatsApp message on this number. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.